The USA claimed their first Ryder Cup since 2008, ending their 3-cup losing streak. Captain Davis Love's team excelled during the Sunday singles session and celebrated a 6-point victory at Hazeltine National Golf Club. Following the victory, Love said he was proud of the team, adding they had a lot of pressure on them for the past 2 years. I have never seen a team come together as a family like this. The last man added to the team, Ryan Moore, won his match against European Lee Westwood, giving the Americans the 15 points needed to seal their victory before the day was over. Next, Europe will host the Ryder Cup in Paris in 2018.